Hello and welcome once again to our channel, InfoAct. Here we share valuable and interesting facts about world. So I would like to request you to subscribe the channel and follow me on Instagram. Link is given on the description. Today we will discuss about the history of Indian rupee symbol. On 5th March 2009, the Indian government announced a contest to create a sign for the Indian rupee. During the 2010 Union Budget, the Union Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee said that the proposed sign should reflect and capture the Indian ethos and culture. From around 3,331 responses received, 5 symbols were shortlisted. These were the entries from Nandita Malhotra, Hitesh Padmashli, Shivin KK, Shahrukh J. Irani and D. Uday Kumar. And one of them was due to be selected at the Union Council of Ministers of India meeting held on 24 June 2010. However, the decision was deferred at the request of the Finance Minister and final decision was made when they meet again on 15th July 2010. The design is a combination of Devanagari letter Ra and the Latin capital letter R without its vertical bar. The parallel lines at the top are said to make an illusion of the tricolor Indian flag and also depict an equality sign that symbolizes the nation's desire to reduce economic disparity. There was also a huge controversy while the selection of the symbol. The Indian rupee sign selection process was challenged in the Delhi High Court by petitioner Rakesh Kumar, who was a participant in the competition, described the process as full of discrepancies and flawed, and named the Finance Ministry and the chairman of the Indian rupee symbol selection committee as respondents. On 26 November 2010, the Delhi High Court single bench dismissed the right petition, stating that there was no justifiable ground for the stated allegation. The final selected symbol was designed by D. Uday Kumar, a Bachelor of Architecture and Visual Design student at the Industrial Design Center, IIT Bombay. It was presented to the public by the Government of India on 15th July 2010, following its selection through an open competition among Indian residents. Before its adoption, the most commonly used symbols for the rupee were RS, RE, or in text in Indian languages, an appropriate abbreviation in the language used. The Unicode character for the Indian rupee sign is U plus 20B9 Indian rupee sign. Other countries that use a rupee such as Sri Lanka, Pakistan and Nepal still use a generic U plus 20A8 rupee sign character. Upon the symbol's adoption in July 2010, the Indian government said it would try to adopt the sign within 6 months in the country and globally within 18 to 24 months. Major banks also have started printing checks with the new Indian rupee sign, where the traditional RS rupee sign was also used. The Indian Postal Department also started printing postage stamps with this new Indian rupee sign when it is issued the Commonwealth Games comparative stamps on 3rd October 2010. In his budget speech on 28 February 2011, the Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee announced that the sign will be incorporated in future coin issues. Coins of denomination of rupees 1, 2, 5 and 10 with the new symbol have been in the circulation. As of January 2012, the new Indian rupee sign has been incorporated in the currency notes in the nomination of rupees 10, rupees 100, rupees 500 and rupees 1000, and as of 12 April 2012, this was extended to domination of rupees 20 and rupees 50. Therefore, the symbol was approved by the Minister of Finance and Department of Economic Affairs of the Government of India and had finally approved the sign. The approval was given by Sushil Kumar under the Secretary of Indian Government.